Hello guys. In this episode I want to introduce some websites that you can import figures from those websites in order to use in your designs. First website that is useful for this in my opinion, and you can easily access it, is a Skullgoo bar. And as you can see it got different sections. And you can choose figures specific to the place that you want to use it. The good point of this site is that it's free. You just need to download figures from this one. But if you want bigger size from it, you need to pay the price for it. Next one, which has a high quality, is We's Company. And you got a package with We's people that you can purchase from. You got different people in different angles. This one is specified for jobs. It could be jobs and people, and as you can see, you have figures that is good for your workplace. And pictures are in PSD format, like this. I will open one of the pictures. Well, let it load first in this part. Or maybe it's better to open a file inside Photoshop. And as I said, this version is because it's portable, it got problems like this. So I have it here, and I will open one of them here, like this. And as you can see, it's really high quality. The size of the pictures is really big and the quality is very good. So anyways, these pictures are made in different groups. If I look at another folder, I can upload another one for you guys. One like this. And as you can see, it's the picture of some children that are running, playing, and doing those sort of things. And you can use them as you need. And it will help your area to have better quality. And the groups are like that. You can find some figures in bird view perspective, like some views above the spectator perspective. So how we can get these? And as I said, in website called MoonArc, with an account of 18,000 Tuman, you can enter it and download files like that one. The good important of this is that we use trees a lot from it. We use greenery a lot and different people from different nationalities. But generally, if your archive is more complete, it's much better. As you can see, 2D pictures of tree, different jobs, and all of the furnitures from the plant. And as you can see, these trees in different version, nightlife, and all of these. Casual Volume 5, Volume 1, and it's a really good archive. And preferably, if you're working with Workshop a lot, try to download this archive for yourself because it's a really good help. I've downloaded a part of it and I'm using it in my personal project. Be well.